Hi, I bought myself some new sleeping things. Cheap mat, cheap pump. I have a expensive one, but I don't sleep so good on it, so I bought a new one, much thicker and cheaper. 45 euros, 5-6 euro for the pump. So let's check out Trekology UL80. Wow, it's not too heavy. It's this heavy. It's designed in America, but it's made in China. So it won't be that difficult. Yeah, I'll take my cheapest pump. I hope it's charged. It's even a lamp. Oh, whoa! Whoa. See, it's pretty thick. It's not very well insulated. This, so you don't fall off as fast as normal mat. Feels better than my other one. Looks good. A little bit of plasticky. Not very much of a noise. No air out. I think if you pull this, yeah, all the air is out. Let's empty it with the pump. Blah. Easy to make it compact again. Like new. And this little pump, I already love it. So I use it in my next trips. So You'll see it later. Ciao.